Create engaging PowerPoint slides with SlideTeam.net. The world's largest provider of professional PowerPoint templates, 1 million plus and counting. Browse through thousands of fully editable slide designs, ready to use complete PowerPoint presentations, maps, data-driven charts, and lots more. Type in the slides you need in our search bar, explore our unbeatable collection, click the product you like, and download it right away. All our designs are 100% editable in PowerPoint. You can replace the dummy content and text placeholders with your content. Right-click on the shapes and change the color to match your corporate branding colors. Resize them without any loss in quality. Duplicate the shapes to add an element to the slides with breathtaking ease, or remove a shape to match your requirements. Also, get complete PowerPoint decks on every business topic. These decks are extensively researched by subject matter experts and designed by top designers. Add your content in the placeholders, keep the slides you require, and your presentation is ready in minutes. You can change the color scheme of the entire deck in a single click with your custom or Microsoft Office theme colors. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and endless fiddling with PowerPoint toolbars. SlideTeam also has thousands of editable vector icons for every industry. Resize and customize to create iconic slides. Highlighting geographic locations is super easy with our editable world maps and country maps. Showcase your data with our Excel-linked charts and graphs. Right-click on the chart, click Edit Data to open the Excel-linked file, replace the sample data with yours, and your chart is ready in a jiffy. And hey, SlideTeam has the world's only template finder, the easiest way to find the template you need. Need a 5-staged circular diagram? Head over to the shape, specify the number of nodes, and download the product you like. 5 seconds is all it takes to find the perfect template. Our homepage navigation is another place to find the most commonly used diagrams. Funnels, puzzle, 2-stage diagrams, 3-stage diagrams, and 4-stage diagrams, for example. You can also navigate through our menus and submenus to explore templates as per your industry and topic. In short, we have every design for everybody. Our designs can be pasted in Word, converted to PDF or an image for creating white papers and marketing collateral. So if you need to create an amazing presentation in minutes, go to www.slideteam.net and download our professional PowerPoint templates. Happy presenting!